To prioritize tasks, start by opening your web browser and navigating to a task management website. Upon arrival, you'll see various options, including the ability to add tasks, search, and view your inbox. Locate the Add Task button and click on it to create a new task. Here, you can input the task name, due date, and assign it to someone if needed. You can also set reminders and other actions. To prioritize the task, click on the priority option, which ranges from low to high. The lowest priority is often denoted as priority 4 inches or similar, while the highest is typically P1 or priority 1, indicating that it's the most important task that needs to be completed first once you've set the priority. Add the task to your list. This process allows you to efficiently manage and organize your tasks, ensuring that the most critical ones are addressed promptly.